The portion is a MEZZOCIORNA. This one the MEZZOCIORNA. The opposite portion, which is in a black color, so is a MEZZANOTTE. 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 One sided it is MEZZANOTTE and another side is a MEZZOCIORNA. MEZZOCIORNA and a MEZZANOTTE. This reason is MEZZANOTTE, and this reason is a the first one reason, as can be shown, MEZZANOTTE, 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 simply MEZZANOTTE, and the another is MEZZOCIORNA. This is MEZZOCIORNA. This is MEZZOCIORNA. Simply MEZZOCIORNA. This is MEZZANOTTE. This is MEZZANOTTE. This is MEZZOCIORNA. MEZZOCIORNA, MEZZANOTTE. The whitish appearance, it's looking like an ocean, which is glaciers. The glaciers is the glaciers which looks glaciers. Let's see, at a pole, this metal showing the poles, one, and opposite to it is the another, this side, this and this pole represents a pole tilt on an axis of a north pole and a south pole, where first there is a MEZZANOTTE and a MEZZOCIORNA. Inside the MEZZANOTTE and the MEZZOCIORNA are glaciers, thick layers of an ice is found where there is no sunlight. So basically the earth in revolving around its axis with its diameter of 10 to the power 7, which is approximately 1 billion in a length term of its the length of its totally diameters, accurately measuring which is far from the sun is exactly 10 to the power 18. 10 to the power 18, the distance of the earth from the sun, and the sun is the ultimate source of the energy. Ultimate source comes from the sunlight, directly and indirectly consuming by the different trophic levels. But the glaciers on this pole and opposite to it this pole, looking like on one side this is a dance where there is the earth consisting of only the earth is 78% surrounded by waters in a form of some form in a river, oceans, on glaciers, on islands, and the life exists on only the rest of the 22 approx 20%. And the geographical distribution of the earth is by as per the history, where the first, the tilting of an earth, it's like in this position. The rotation of an earth by the rotation completed in 27, 28, 29, 30. The earth completes its whole revolution around the sun in 365 days in numbers. The earth completes its whole revolution in a 365, and earth periodically changes its site from one to another in every 12 hours, which formulated as 24 hours per day. 24 hours making a one day and each 24 hours contributing to the till of the 365 days for one revolution, and it varies from planets to planets. The nearest completes the shortest as the farther from the Earth, the more number of days is required. The natural which have Earth having moon which rotates around the Earth, but they have no own light of a moon. They depend on a sunlight and they reflect back on a Earth with their light. Actually, data is not calculated. Actually, data is not been known, is unknown to us, and the moon revolving around the Earth in a periodic, making a making it's very easily comfortable, and due to this how various religious ethics is performed, how religious ethics is performed, various religious ethics is performed according to the different humans. There are different forms of gods which is present, but actually the true God is exist, who says everything belongs to them and nothing happens without the wills of him, and so the all the things it belongs to him, and there this is created by him, and human have only developed, they're not created. There is a difference between a developed and a creation. There is a difference between a developed and a creation. In Earth, we developed the geographical isolation. We doesn't develop the water, we doesn't develop the plant, but plants grows. We what we do, the Earth rotation around the whole in its own axis for the Sun, completing in a 365 days, covering 1 year in from the month as per a lunar period, and as seeing the lunar or with the different perspectives measuring its own years, months. In the era of the decades of 21st, the Antarctica, the Australia was very close to the pole, which is tilted to the south pole, which is tilted to the south pole in Australia. The names are being displaced on a globe of Earth, globe showing the names of different islands, different places. Now looking at the Australia, the names with the different islands: Norfolk Island, Three King Island, Kermadec Island, Norfolk Island, Three King Island, North Bashir, Auckland, North Island, New Zealand, Gromouth, Napier, Gisborne, Auckland, Napier, Wellington, Christchurch, Dunedin, Invercargill, Stewart Island, Antipodes Island, Auckland Island in New Zealand, Campbell Island, New Zealand, Bounty Island, South Island, Chatham Island, New Zealand, Chatham Island, New Zealand, Campbell Island, New Zealand, Camp, Campbell, Campbell Island, New Zealand, Chatham, Chatham, Chatham Island, Chatham Island, Campbell Island, Auckland Island, Macquarie Island, New Zealand. New Zealand towns names are the Greymouth, Gisborne, Napier, Wellington, Christchurch, Dunedin, Invercargill, Nauru, Yaren. The down this line, Nauru, Yaren, Nauru, Gilbert Island, Kingsmill, Britain, Gonomia, Ellis Island, Britain, Santa Cruz Island, Britain, Espiritu Santo, Fiji, New Hebrides, Sua, Britain, Vanuatu, Loyalty Island, Waitakere, Naumila, Canton Island, Phoenix Island, Britain, Tokelau Island, New Zealand, West Samoa, New Zealand, Swahili Wallis, New Zealand, Tutala, Tonga Island, Tonga Island, Tonga Island, Norfolk Island, Three King Island, Kermadec Island, Maldini Island, Britain, Tongarba Island, Raiatea, Ararau, Paulsmarston, Raitria, Society Island, Makatia, France, Cook Island, Makerline. Basically, Makerline is in the Tropic of Cancer, showing the Tropic of the Capricorn. It's this line, Morua, France. Pacific Oceans of our north side. Hawaiian Island, Niawakaiawai, Holhoyo, Molokai, Honolulu, Mol Hawaii, Honolulu Mall, Ohuhu, Molokai, Nihoa, Waiawai, Hawaiian Island, Pacific Ocean, Medaboy Island, Lysiam City, Lyson Gardner. Coming to the Atlantic, Trinidad, Brazil, Santa Helena, Britain, Tristan da Cunha, Brazil, South Georgia Island, South Sandwich Island, Bowit, Norway, Weddell Ocean, Martha Land, Enderby, Australian, Mark Sunburston Island, Prince Elizabeth Land, Prince Elizabeth Land, Prince Elizabeth Land, Queen Mary Land, Quit, Australian area, Victoria Land, Ross Ocean, Graland, Weddell Ocean, Martha Land, Enderby Australian, Mark Sebastian Land, Prince Elizabeth Land, Antarctica area, Queen Mary Land, Queen Mary Land, Prince Elizabeth Land, Mark Sebastian Land, Mark Sebastian Land, Mark Sebastian Land, Enderby Australian, Martha Land, Weddell Ocean, Groenland, Victoria Land, Prince Elizabeth Land, Australian Land,